Good morning, Saxy. Good morning, North Texas. Welcome to your weather roundup. Today is Thursday, April 27th, 2023. Well, this is springtime in Texas, and so we are going to have another chance of severe weather tomorrow. So let's talk about that in this brief weather roundup. So, this is the overall outlook for tomorrow, and as you can see, we are in a level 3 of 5 of risk for severe weather. Again, marginal is 1 out of 5, slight risk in the yellow, 2 out of 5, and of course the orange, which is the enhanced risk, is 3 out of 5. So let's get to specifics. Tornado outlook tomorrow, not great, but not horrible either. So 5% chance in the brown you see there. That includes most of North Texas. So nobody that lives anywhere around here is probably going to escape that probability. Now, again, will we actually see tornadoes tomorrow? Certainly not a guarantee, but something we definitely want to be aware of. This is the more concerning part, the hail outlook. As you can see, we are in a 30% chance of seeing hail. That's the red area. And as I always like to say, it is where the 30% chance is where you can have that percent chance 25 miles from any point. So if your house is a point, there's a 30% chance that you could see hail within 25 miles of your house. So in severe weather probabilities, that's bordering on the concerning side. Doesn't mean everybody in the red's going to see hail, or yellow or brown for that matter. But again, there's a decent chance that you could see hail within 25 miles of your house. Now, as I've talked about before, the hatched area, the black hatched area, is the chance of seeing significant hail, which is defined as 2 inches in diameter or greater. So that's a 10% chance of seeing that on top of the 30% chance. So we'll all have a math quiz after this is all over. So the hail outlook tomorrow is not looking great by any means, but still manageable. And then the severe wind outlook, again, this is wind gust 58 miles an hour or higher, the severe wind criteria cutoff. So 15 to 30% chance in yellow of seeing that with storms. And that may be more in the form of a squall line, which we may see later on tomorrow afternoon. Which, speaking of which, so this is the model, the HRRR model. It's a fairly good convective model that most of the time does a good job in predicting thunderstorm development. This is 5 p.m. tomorrow. As I've always liked to say, this by no means it's going to be exactly like this. What it's trying to say is that there's a decent chance that we'll see supercell thunderstorms in North Texas. That's why you saw, going back to the maps, that's why you saw all the colors around North Texas, because we feel like there's a decent chance that we're going to see severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. So what's causing this? So we had this upper level low yesterday that's moving through Oklahoma right now, and then we're going to have another maybe slightly weaker upper level low, still strong, move through Texas tomorrow. It's going to take a little bit more northerly track, so that's why we're more in the bullseye than we were with this other storm. Now, like I said yesterday, the other storm, yesterday we were going to be in the bullseye, but we got pushed south, so that's good. Probably won't have that issue tomorrow. No warm fronts to worry about. We're just going to have this cold front come through. We'll probably start seeing storm development around 3 p.m. west of Dallas-Fort Worth, and then it's going to move in around rush hour tomorrow, 5 or 6, give or take. So again, we'll have much more information on this tomorrow, but just be weather aware today about tomorrow. Since tomorrow's Friday, a lot of people have Friday evening plans. I don't think this is going to be a situation where it's the whole evening is going to be run, but it's definitely going to be a late afternoon, early evening issue to where you may want to keep in mind if you have outdoor plans. Now, like with models, we're still a little bit more than 24 hours out, so models can change, timing can change. So this could get pushed back a little bit. This could get sped up a little bit. So this is just the best guess right now. So I would say anytime between 3 p.m. and 7 or 8 p.m. tomorrow is our window right now. I think we'll narrow that window this time tomorrow. Of course, I'll be updating you tomorrow on this. And then lastly, the weekend is not looking too bad. The first part of the weekend may be kind of cool and damp, but then Sunday should be really nice. And then the first part of next week should be typical spring. Not typical with a lot of storms, but just 80s and somewhat nice weather before we start to get hot in a month or two. So we'll certainly worry about that as we go along. And lastly, I want to thank my sponsors for helping make this happen. Amen Plumbing and Bacon Roofing. If you have roofing needs, Bacon Roofing is your company. Give them a call. They're more than roofing. And Amen Plumbing, if you have plumbing needs, they will definitely take care of you. And after they take care of you, you will say amen. All right, well, I'm watching weather so you don't have to. This is your morning weather roundup, and we will be back tomorrow, unfortunately in some ways, to talk about the severe weather possibilities. But nonetheless, we'll keep you safe and updated. And I hope everyone has a great Thursday, and we will talk to you tomorrow.